Hello fam, thank you so much for stopping by. You are highly welcome to React with Grace. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate. Okay, so fam, in today's reaction I will be reacting to Eden Golan. Oh my goodness, titled Hurricane. This was an official video at Eurovision. All right, wow, like I can't wait to react to this, and let me know what you think about this on the comment section. It's actually my first time hearing and reacting to Eden Golan, so I can't really wait to hear this and yeah, see her performance and all of that. Okay, so grab your popcorn. I'll be leaving the link of this video in my description box, so let's do this and let me know your own thoughts on the comment section. Okay.
Ladder out my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light, everything.
Wait guys, did you guys listen? Are you guys hearing this voice? Like, huh? Her voice is so beautiful and so calm and so soothing. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so amazing. Like, I love her voice. It's so beautiful and amazing.
Fool who told you boys don't cry. Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. While the time goes wild, every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. Living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why the time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane. מילים גדולות, רק תפילות, אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
Goodness, fam. This is amazingly beautiful. Like, seriously, I'm telling you guys, everything about this song or this music is superb. Honestly, the choreography, is it the choreography? The choreography or the choreography is so sweet and it's amazing. Honestly speaking, everything, the song, the arts, everything put together in this song is superb, honestly speaking. And Eden on his own is honestly speaking, let me know your own thoughts on the comment section. For me, and wow, her voice, such a beautiful and a melodic voice. Oh, this This is so beautiful. I love this. Okay, let me know your own thoughts on the comment section, and if you watched up until this moment, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.